Pioneers, this is the machine lat pull down. That means it's for the back muscles that take up the entirety of the back. They attach at the back of your arm all the way through your spine. So it's a big muscle. You might feel it in parts of that muscle, but not all of that muscle. There's a picture here to show you. When we're using a lat pull down, we want to make sure the weight is appropriate for ourselves, and so start light. For me, I'm going to take the pin out and I'm going to set it at about 50, and then I can adjust by 5-pound increments using this knob right here. When I sit down, I want to make sure that I'm stable. So I'm going to lift this up, pull the knob, and I want it to be set down so that when I scoot in, I can't go anywhere. Then I want to grab my handles. I can do palms forward or palms facing each other. It changes where you feel it in that back muscle, but either one is great. I'm going to do palms forward, pull them down, get my legs underneath the strap, and when I pull down, I'm going to lean back ever so slightly. Emphasize pulling your elbows back and to the sides and keeping your posture strong. That's the lat pull down machine.